Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Peach. We're going on with that beautiful steam locomotive. So we've got, as you can see, this massive part of the kettle. So we're probably going on with that in stage 27 and 28, and I'll show you that in the magazine. And I've got these packs closer because this is the last few, just 2 stages I have of this great build, and I mean great because, well, you see it right there. Okay, stage 27. As you can see there, 27. More of the kettle, or at least they call it the foyer, and we're putting the last piece of that thing together, and then we know how big the whole thing is, and we're putting more of those little tiny things in. I broke one already, and I hope they give me a spare, but I doubt it. So there's not a lot to do. We're putting that foyer, what they call it, in and on, and we're putting this little avant du foyer in as well, and then that is that for this stage. And I may have shown you this already, but this is a beautiful build anyway. Have a look at those pictures. I really love them. If you look at that one as well. So let's get straight into 27 and get the foyer out. And I'm leaving the large angle because small angle isn't handy anymore. And with this whole start part that we're doing now, we've not been using anything else but that part. That's the first one. All of them have been really hard, but these are not as hard as the other ones were. Sorry, I'm all out of focus. Well, I'm focused, but the camera isn't. All right, we've got those in. Let's get those out of the way and get that one out. And we need an angle where the angle is good enough, and we need a longer neck screw again, and freshen up the oil. Have a look at that. That's gigantic. And that's the first stage done. Let's get the last stage out. And if I'm seeing this correct, we're going to close that up. That's double up. That's a good one. There are points to push into here, some pins points and there. So that is a beautiful AMs now. So we're going to turn it around again and put those AMs in those 2 points. And of course the tip of the screw goes into a bit of oil. As you can see, wobble check done as well, neatly closed up. Can you see that? You can, right there. So leave that way, and let's see what we do next. You take that one, those 2 together. There we go. Then we're gonna put those 2 little things. They are D-shaped, so we're gonna push them in. I'll show you what the orientation is, but you can't do it wrong because they're D-shaped. So that is the pattern. Have a look at that, how that is connected. And this one goes right there, and that is the last stage and pack of this beautiful build that we're doing together. Let me get that one out as well, or should I put it the other way around, because that kettle is massive. Have a look at that. Really nice, guys. Right in front of me you see the parts that we have the build up until now. This one is the one we've done just now, the kettle, the whole kettle. We've worked on that this time, and a whole lot more on this side and that side. Everything is put together. Quite big thing, and that kettle will go somewhere other way around, like that. So there's more to build on this side, But thank you very much for joining me again. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me next time when I do some more of this beautiful, beautiful train. I see that a lot of you like it, so keep coming and coming back, because I'm going all the way to the finish. And I hope you will join me then as well. But have a look at my channel and have a look at the ones in the background there. There's a lot more to see. Hope we will see you next time. Bye bye.